My name is Deepsa. A chemistry topic under 5 minutes. Just a very small, simple question. It's a confusion, but very simple answer to understand. They say photosynthesis, first of all, photosynthesis and digestion are reverse processes, the reverse of each other. All right. Then, so photosynthesis is an endothermic process, and digestion or respiration is it's a biological term which is also can be in some way called digestion, is an exothermic process. Now they usually ask how can you explain this, why is photosynthesis endothermic and this is exothermic. So let's understand the reaction itself. First of all, we know that the reaction of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose and oxygen in presence of sunlight. Now, in the previous exothermic and endothermic episode that I had mentioned if any form of energy is written over the arrow, that is bound to be an endothermic reaction. Now we have mentioned a sunlight or UV rays over the arrow. That clearly indicates that it is an endothermic reaction. So whenever they combine during photosynthesis, it becomes an endothermic process. They use the solar energy. The reaction uses the solar energy to occur. The solar energy is supplied, excuse me, along with carbon dioxide and water to the plant. You have a plant, उसको आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी देते हो, आप उसको वाटर भी देते हो और उसको आप सनलाइट भी देते हो. दीज आर ऑल द रॉ मटेरियल्स जो आप उसको देते हो टू प्रोड्यूस ग्लूकोज. जो आप एनर्जी दे रहे हो तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन बन गया. ठीक है. सेकेंड बात, अब अगर बाय चांस भी अज्यूम करें कि एक्सोथर्मिक होगा तो कोई साउंड आएगी, कोई फायर आएगी, कोई लाइट आएगी, कुछ तो होगा. पर फोटोसिंथेसिस में कभी होता है ऐसे कि आपको आवाज़ आ रही है कि हाँ खाना बन रहा है पेड़ के अंदर, ऐसी कोई आवाज़ आती है? नहीं. लाइट निकलती है उसमें से? नहीं. सो देयर इज नो फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी विच यू कैन विजुअली सी और हियर और फील कि उसमें से एनर्जी निकल रही है या पत्तियां गर्म हो गई, ऐसे फील होता है कभी? ऐसा कभी फील नहीं होता है कि एनी form of energy is coming out, getting out of the plant. So it is definitely not an exothermic reaction. Now why is it an endothermic reaction? We covered that also. देखो जब भी रिएक्शन होता है ना तो रिएक्टेंट्स को हमको पूरा पूरा तोड़ देना पड़ता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, यू विल हैव टू ब्रेक इट इनटू कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, ऑक्सीजन. Water है, you'll have to break it into hydrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. Now these are very strong molecules. इनको अगर आप तोड़ोगे ना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को सी में, ओ में, उसको आपको बहुत सारा फाइट करना पड़ेगा, उसको बहुत सारी एनर्जी से मारना पड़ेगा, देन इट विल ब्रेक. Here also you'll have to supply a lot of energy to break water, and once they break, then only they can form glucose. तो इनिशियली क्या हुआ, आपको इनको तोड़ना था जिसमें आपको इतनी सारी एनर्जी देनी पड़ी, और वो किसने दी? वो सन ने दी. सो बिकॉज यू नीडेड अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड टू ब्रेक द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर, विच इज नॉट आवर फिजिकल एनर्जी. हम हाथ से नहीं दे रहे हैं उसको, सन दे रहा है उसको. सन गिव्स दैट एनर्जी टू ब्रेक दीज मॉलिक्यूल्स into individual atoms, and hence it is taking, the reaction is taking energy, absorbing energy, and hence it is called endothermic. Now why is this exothermic? First of all, if we see the reaction also only of digestion or respiration, what happens? Whatever we eat, the glucose that we eat, the sugar, it gets like this, and we can see an energy component on the right hand side in the equation. This was the मेन आइडेंटिफिकेशन फैक्टर कि अगर आपके पास इक्वेशन है उसके राइट हैंड साइड पे अगर एनर्जी लिखा है, इट हैज़ टू बी एन एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. चलो हमने पहचान तो लिया कि ठीक है इसलिए, बट व्हाई इज एनर्जी रिटन हियर? जब हम खाना खाते हैं हमारे अंदर से कौन सी आग निकलने लग जाती है या हम ब्राइट हो जाते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे चमकने लग जाते हैं? नो, वी डोंट स्टार्ट शाइनिंग. बट लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. हमारे अंदर काम करने की, हिलने की एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है? कहीं से तो आती होगी. एंड व्हाट डू वी से? वी ईट, then we get energy, and then we work. That means eating is what? Eating is nothing but digestion or respiration. So when we eat, the eating process provides energy, gives out energy for work. So this process provides us the energy, gives us the energy. This is the giving side. Gives us the energy to work and function of the functioning of the whole body. So it's a exothermic. Thermal does not always mean only heat. It can mean any form of energy, light, sound, magnetic, electric, anything. Okay, so it gives us energy to work. Gives us matlab idhar, give. This is the giving side. This is the receiving side. ओके ना. एनर्जीज हमें क्या दिख रही है? जब हम खाना खाते हैं हमें दिखती है कि ये एनर्जी. नो, वी कांट सी इट as light or as fire or so on. But what happens is this energy which is produced here is stored in small capsules. It is stored in small cells which are specially called ATP cells. You just remember the name. There are special kind of cells which are called ATP cells, which are filled with energy. So whenever glucose is digested, they form this whole ball of energy. And whenever you need it, just open this ball and use it up. So यहाँ energy है, pure energy है, just bounded in a small capsule. So we don't see it as sound or light or anything, but it is hidden inside our body only in form of small capsules which are ready to use energy bombs. All right, so that's why it is a part of exothermic. हमको energy मिल गई है in form of, produce हुई है in form of ATP molecules. Now what is this? And sometimes also this is now please don't write it in the exam. I have written it for just for simplicity. Sometimes after you eat food, you sometimes you do feel ki okay, we're feeling a little warmer, hotter, or when we eat something in winters, you feel we're feeling a little better, we're feeling a little warm. So what is that? That's also little heat energy which is produced after eating. So heat energy produce हो रही है, heat energy यहाँ पे निकल रही है. So it is an exothermic reaction. You may not mention this in exam because it's not a very good language to be written. But yes, this formation of an ATP, the writing of energy on right hand side proves that digestion or respiration is an exothermic process. Thank you.